Welcome! In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the basic first steps to get started with Autodesk Forma, a cloud-based tool designed for fast, early-stage design and real-time environmental analysis. Whether you're an architect, urban planner, or part of a design team, Forma offers an intuitive way to explore ideas and make smarter decisions right from the very beginning. Unlike traditional software, Forma runs entirely in your browser. No installations, no setup, just seamless collaboration and design. Let's dive in. Once you log in, the first step is to create a project. Forma organizes work under hubs, shared spaces for teams or categories. You can create a new project or select an existing one. I recommend naming your projects early, especially if you're working collaboratively. To begin your site, just enter a city, address, or coordinates. Forma then prompts you to select the map area you want to work on. It's quick and intuitive, great for staying in flow. Next, it's time to order site context data. You can choose a predefined data package or select layers manually. In this example, I'll manually add OpenStreetMap buildings, roads, terrain, and tree data, providing a realistic snapshot of the site without needing external files. Once the data is loaded, I explore the canvas. I start by sketching site boundaries with the Site tool, a simple command that gives full control over the project area. Then I move on to massing. I sketch a basic footprint, tweak its height, number of floors, and floor-to-floor height, all in real time. The interface is intuitive and responsive, which makes testing ideas feel natural. I also use the 3D sketch tool to push and pull corners, which is great for early form exploration. To add realism, I define a vegetation zone by sketching a green buffer in front of the building. Forma lets me adjust the number and height of trees, simulating microclimate impact and adding visual quality. This kind of integrated modelling makes Forma stand out. It's flexible, fast, and purpose-built for early design. Now, let's look at the analysis. Once the massing is ready, I run environmental analysis, one of Forma's most powerful tools for early planning. First, I select the area I want to analyse, the entire model or a specific site portion. Then I choose from a range of analysis types depending on my needs: sun hours, daylight potential, wind or microclimate, noise, solar energy potential, or embodied carbon. These insights help assess solar access, overheating, environmental comfort, and sustainability performance, long before detailed design begins. One standout feature is the ability to test and compare multiple design proposals. I can adjust building volumes, create variations, and compare results side by side, a fast and visual way to guide early decisions. Because the analysis tools update in real time, Forma supports quick iteration and sustainable thinking, all without third-party software. Finally, collaboration. Forma is fully cloud-based, so there's no need to exchange or export files. Project updates are live and automatically reflected in the hub, so everyone with access always sees the latest version. You can invite collaborators, compare design alternatives, leave comments, and even connect your work to Revit for further development. With native plugins for Revit, Rhino, and Dynamo, Forma integrates smoothly into your BIM workflow, so insights from early design can carry forward without duplication. In summary, Autodesk Forma helps you make faster, smarter design decisions from day one. It simplifies site setup, accelerates concept development, and brings real-time environmental analysis into your process, all in a collaborative, cloud-based environment. Whether you're shaping volumes, evaluating daylight, or comparing early proposals, Forma helps you move your design forward when it matters most. Thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you to explore your own early-stage workflows in Forma.